Hi everyone, my name is Susana Costan.
And my name is Michael Baguio.
We are here to talk about social abuse. Social abuse is a becoming and pressure of issue in our society. We observe the continue of activity that disrespect human dignity, including various forms of abuse such as rape and others. By discussing the topic of lack of respect for sexuality, it is important to analyze the significance of maintaining the clear stance on this matter. Personal perspective on the issue, we believe that every individual has the right to respect and protect their sexuality. Abuse of sexuality is a violation of the rights and dignity of each person. By showing respect and understanding for different aspects of sexuality, we can reduce cases of abuse and maintain the safety and well-being for everyone.
Summary of arguments, this lack of respect for sexuality leads to effects such as trauma, depression, and loss of self-esteem. It also results in the degradation and infringement of the right of individual. Supportive of information for the argument is based on studies. Victims of sexual abuse often exhibit symptoms of PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder. This can have serious effect on their overall health and well-being. Evidence for the argument is after abuse, many victims struggle to trust others and even themselves. This leads to a loss of trust and a decrease in self-worth.
Personal position on the issue. Opinion on the first point is every person has the right to respect and protect their sexuality. No one should be disrespect of the right to be safe and comfortable in their action and discussion regarding the sexuality. Evidence providing education and national about the importance of respecting sexuality is crucial to prevent situation of abuse and violation of individual rights.
Second point of your position. One is the opinion. The second point is the society has a responsibility to support and protect victims of sexual abuse. There should be adequate healthcare and emotional support service for them to recover from their traumas. Evident healthcare program for victims of abuse show effective response to their needs, though their provision of assistance and support victims are strange in their recovery and health process.
Opinion on the third point, collaboration between the government, communities, and individuals is essential to combat and provide the culture that disrespect for sexuality. There should be a strong action towards the respecting and sexuality for everyone. Evidence, laws protecting the rights of abuse victims, as well as the campaigns of education and sexuality are important to change the culture of abuse and disrespect for human dignity.
Conclusion, summary of position is by maintaining a clear stance and working together across all sectors of society, we can fight against disrespect for sexuality. It is important to promote respect, education, and support for everyone to ensure the safety and dignity of all. The action plan is my action plan focus on strengthening programs and policies and aim at protecting and supporting victims of abuse, as well as spreading awareness about the importance of respecting sexuality, law education, and campaign. Bilang isang kabataan, paano mo mahikayat ang iyong kapwa kabataan na igalang ang kanilang dignidad at sexualidad sa moderno ng panahon?
Bilang isang kabataan sa modernong panahon, mahalaga na ipaalam sa ating kapwang kabataan ang kahalagahan ng paggalang sa kanilang dignidad at sexualidad. Upang mahikayat sila na gawin ito, maaari tayong magtampok ng edukasyonal na kampanya at aktibidad na naglalayo na magbigay ng kaalaman at pag-unawa sa kanilang karapatan at pagpahalaga sa kanilang sarili. Isa sa konkretong pahayag na maaari nating gamitin upang mahikayat ang ating kapwang kabataan ay ang paggalang sa ating dignidad at sexualidad ay hindi lamang tungkulin natin sa sarili, kundi respeto rin sa bawat isa. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahalaga sa ating sarili, ipinapakita natin ang halaga ng respeto at dignidad. Naway maging huwaran tayo sa pagtanggap at pagpapahalaga sa ating sariling kapwa. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahalaga sa dignidad at sexualidad sa bawat isa, nagbibigay tayo ng espasyo para sa pag-unlad at pagrespeto at pagmamahal sa ating sarili at sa iba. Ang ganitong pananaw at pagkilos ay mahalaga upang mapanatili natin ang kaligtasan at kagandahang asal ng ating lipunan. And that's all. Thank you.